Understanding, hold out for, a guide to English phrases. Hello, and welcome to our English language learning series. Today, we're going to explore the phrase, hold out for. It's a common expression in English, and understanding it can really help you sound more like a native speaker. So, let's dive in and demystify this phrase together. The phrase, hold out for, means to wait for something or someone, especially when you're expecting a particular outcome or a better opportunity. It's about not settling for less and being patient for the ideal situation. For example, if someone says, "I'm holding out for a better job offer," it means they are waiting for an offer that meets their expectations or needs. Hold out for can be used in various contexts, from personal goals to business decisions. Let's look at some examples. Personal goals: she is holding out for the perfect university to study at. Business decisions: our company will hold out for a more favorable deal. Relationships: he's holding out for someone who truly understands him. These examples show how versatile the phrase is in everyday conversation. When using hold out for, remember it's about waiting for something better. A common mistake is confusing it with simply waiting or delaying. It's not just about time passing. It's about expecting a specific, often improved, outcome. Understanding phrases like hold out for can greatly enhance your English communication skills. Remember, it's all about waiting for that better opportunity or situation, not just any. We hope this video helps you grasp this phrase better. Happy learning, and see you in our next video.